Welcome to Fitness 332 Stretching and Flexibility. I'm your instructor, Chris Waters. If you have any questions or need to contact me at any point during the course, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu. Fitness 332 is an asynchronous course that will be facilitated through Canvas. We will not meet for this course, so you're free to complete the coursework and assignments according to your own schedule. Please take some time to read through the course overview. Be sure to watch for weekly announcements, for reminders about assignments and due dates. Fitness 332 is an activities class, so students will receive full credit for participation and submission of exercise journals. Our goal for the summer is about 4 workouts per week, or 8 workouts for each 2-week unit. I recommend trying different exercises, stretches, Pilates routines, and yoga flows throughout the summer to see what's best for you. Please use sample routines and the exercise library for suggestions, instructions, demonstrations, and videos. Again, if you need to contact me at any point during the summer, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu. I'm looking forward to a great summer. Thank you.